Let's try lamb steak. So typically when we think of steak, we think of a cut from beef. This is basically a lamb leg that was sliced. Let's cook this one up just like you would with a regular beef steak, and let's see what it tastes like.
I'm just gonna drop this in some dirt. You can season this however you want. For me personally, I like lamb with cumin, coriander, and chili powder. I'll give this a couple of minutes on each side so there's some good color, and also render out the fat back and then baste it with butter. I'll let this rest for about 5 minutes and then slice it against the grain, and that's pretty much it.
It has that nice lamb gamey flavor, which I like. It does have a bit more of a chew, so it just seems like it's a bit on the tougher side. But the thing about lamb leg is you would usually roast it or bake it or even smoke it, and it just gets really soft, nice and tender. And lamb is probably my favorite cut of meat. It's still a great chew, the flavor is nice, it's not overcooked, but honestly I just think you're doing the lamb leg an injustice by treating it like a steak. If you want a steak, just go get a nice ribeye. If you have a lamb leg, slow cook it, get it nice and tender. It's still a great steak, but it wouldn't be my go-to. I would give this a 7.4 out of 10.